this is what we're working with. Lord have mercy. Here we go, everyone. This is the final end results. Finished everything because I had some other things going on. So I was able to mop. We have a storm brewing over here. And it has gotten dark, but it's not late evening yet. Just want to share. Ask you to subscribe and like. Have any suggestions? What I could have done better? What I missed? Also, a couple years ago, I created them a chalk wall inside the closet. Since then, moved some furniture there, but they still use it when they really come in here and play. But this is pretty much what we're doing. Just trying to clean, organize, do a whole lot of things different. It is 2025. Trying to not only that get the kids more organized. There's their little stuffed animals that they sleep with every night. So if you have any questions, any concerns, any suggestions, just put it in the comment and I will respond. Have a good evening. Thank you for watching.